Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ulearna online English sessions. Today we're going to be talking about the most confusing prepositions in English. Let's get on with it. Before starting the preposition, we should know their usages. The preposition that we are going to study in this clip are at, on, in. Their usages could be for time, for location, or for transportation. And in today's session, we will cover time. At is used with smaller time. For example, at 5 o'clock or at 6 o'clock. Similarly, on is used with moderate time. For example, on Monday, on Tuesdays, you can also use plural. And in is used with a large time. For example, in a month, in a year, in a week. At is used with specific occasions. For example, at New Year's Eve, at Teacher's Day, or at the wedding party. On is used with specific dates, like on 15th of October, on 10th of July. And in is used with particular part of the day. Now, thing to be noted here, in and at, here both can be used with particular parts of the day. In is used with in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, or in the night. Whereas at is also used with specific part of the day, like at midday, at midnight. So dear students, you will make the examples on these phrases. The phrases that I have used, you should use them in examples for better understanding. Next, at is used with specific part of the week, like at the weekend. Whereas in is used with specific year, specific month, or specific season. For example, in 2010 or in 1995, in July, in August, and in spring, in winter, etc. So dear students, this is for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and see you in next session. Allah Hafiz.